Hi, so today we will be seeing the step-by-step process of using the Act on Fact mobile application or the mobile link. So what you need to do is, we will be sending you an SMS to open up the link. Just open your SMS and click on the link. Open it up in your browser. So this is how the page looks like. What you need to do is, click on the top right button right here. And then you need to add it to the home screen. Click on add and you'll receive a notification the application has been added to home screen. Just exit from the browser and scroll through your applications. So like any other mobile application, the icon will be displayed as IHS. Click on the icon. So this is the main page of the application which says admin login. You do not need to log in here. This login has to be used by Team IHS. If you scroll on the top, you can see certain numbers and email IDs that are displayed. These are the helpline numbers and IDs which can be contacted anytime in case if you are facing any technical issue with the usage of the application. As you can also see, there are Facebook and YouTube link for the IHS company as well. So now you need to click on this top right button, the black button here. You can see various login panels: admin, RSM, ASM, ME and trainer login. So you need to click on the ME login. Once you do so, this page will open up. So what you need to do is now put in your user ID and password. So what we have done is, we have kept your employee ID as your user ID and the password is Act on Fact, which is the currently universal password that has to be changed later on. Please do not change unless further directed. So making a random entry, put in your employee ID as the username, and as I said, Act on Fact in small letters is the password. Once you type in, click on submit. So now this is the personalized page of the application as per the user. So you can see the first page is like a summary of your sessions that have been planned. It will show you today's sessions, completed sessions, what are the sessions that are lined up, along with your name, email ID and mobile number. If you scroll down further, down here, again you can see a summary of your camps that you have planned. So we've already made one mock entry that is being shown up. Once you do more entries, this page will be filled as per the information. So we will be making the use of this top left button right here the most. Click on the button and then there will be a comprehensive list option which is self-explanatory, which says new sessions, all sessions, pending allotment, trainer remarks, today's sessions, the week session, completed, cancelled and log out button. So let's just make a mock entry now. To make an entry, you need to click on new sessions. As you can see, there's already one entry that is being shown up. This was the mock entry that we have done earlier. So to make a new fresh entry, you need to click on add new. And then you will be redirected to a page that will give you various options that are required to make a camp entry. All these options are mandatory, so you need to fill all the information correctly. So let's just begin with the entry. You need to set the date first. Then you need to put in the start time, followed by putting the end time. Please make sure that AM PM selection is done correctly. Then you need to type in the clinic or the hospital name. This is just a mock entry, so I'm randomly typing a name. Write in the doctor's name. Then you need to type in doctor's specialty. I've chosen a cardiologist here. Then you need to type in the complete address or location of that clinic or the hospital. Please ensure that you're adding the exact address, because the trainer also has to report to the same venue, so it should be easily reachable. Then you need to select the city. You have various options of selecting the city from a drop down list which contains more than 190 cities. We've just selected Delhi here. Then just choose between doctor type from government or private, depending upon the hospital or the clinic that you are doing the camp at. Then whether the activity is inside the clinic or outside the clinic, then you need to click on in clinic or out clinic, followed by adding the UIN number of the doctor, randomly typing a number here. This is followed by selecting the number of participants. So we have given you a range of selecting the participants: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Just in case the participants are more than 30, click on others, and then you can fill in the number of participants in the remarks column below. So let's just select 20 to 30 here. Do you require yoga mats? Yes or no as per your requirement. Any other remarks? In case if participants are more than 30, you can put the information here, then click on save. As you can see, a message will appear, record added successfully. Now to cross check your entry, you need to again click on the top left button. Repeat the process of going to new sessions again, and here on the top you can see the recently done entry. You need to scroll towards the right to see the completed details. Let's just now see how you can edit, modify or delete any camp entry. So for that, again you have to go to new sessions, scroll towards right. You can see under the action column there are 3 buttons that are displayed: yellow, green and red. Yellow is to update, green is to view and red is to delete. So in case if we need to update the information, let's just click on the yellow button. So here was the recently made entry, as you can see. So let's just try changing the time here, try updating the time here. So instead of 9 AM to 10 AM, I'm doing it from 10 AM to 11 AM here. Once done, you need to fill in the number of participants and mat requirement again. The steps are mandatory. Once done, click on save and a message will appear that record updated successfully. Again, to cross check the same, go back to new sessions, scroll towards right, and you can see the time that we have changed is clearly being shown here. Now if you want to delete the entry, if you think this session has been cancelled before it even went on live, just click on the green button now to view. I'll then explain the delete column. So once you click on the green button, you can just view the summary of the camp that you have planned. So it's like a quick cross check. Now deleting the entry, going to the new sessions again, scrolling towards the right, and then this time clicking on the red button. A message will ask you, are you sure you want to delete? Once you click on delete, the record will be deleted. A message will appear and you can see the entry is also not up there. So this is as simple as it seems. Now if you go to all sessions, this is like a summary, this is like a comprehensive listing of all your sessions. You can filter down from here. You can filter by selecting the date, like if you want to see the entry of one particular month or a week, you can always do so, and it will show you the entry. On top, you can select the entry as per the status also, whether it has been pending, completed or cancelled. On the very top right of this particular page, you can see there's a blue button. Now this is the export to Excel feature that we have provided you in this application, and the same can be used over a desktop mode also. So once you do so, it will automatically export the information to an Excel. So I'm just showing you how it is done. Once you open it up, the Excel sheet will appear with the information. Now the information will appear for as many camps as you have planned. So this will really come handy at the time of report sharing, at the time of collating the information or keeping the records. Now going back to the app again, going to the list option. So as I told you, there are various options. If you click on pending allotment, these are the sessions for which trainers have still not been allocated. So you can see how many trainers are pending to be allocated. Then you have trainer remarks. This is the completed sessions after which trainer can put in their remarks. Today's sessions, this week's sessions, completed, cancel sessions, and then the log out button. Now I'm going to the dashboard again. You can see there's a button that says education leaflet. Now this is the yoga curriculum copy that we have given to all the trainers, and they have to demonstrate these set of asanas only. So you can always have a look from this education leaflet whether the protocol has been followed or not. So once you click on the education leaflet, a PDF file will open up. It will automatically download into your mobile. You do not need to download it again and again. So here, this is the leaflet. This is a copy of the leaflet that will be given to the patients also, with the set of asanas that will be demonstrated by the trainer, each and every trainer. So again, going back to the list option again, and then finally you can log out. Thank you so much for